Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right? Visualizing, meditating, staying positive, yet your life still doesn't shift the way you crave? Maybe it's not what you're doing, but how you're seeing reality. There's a hidden law, a real quantum force that's been shaping your world in silence. And mastering it doesn't take years. It takes one thing: awakening to what no one told you. Stay with me, because once you see it, you'll never see your life the same way again. In the silent fabric of the cosmos, there's a law not written in any book, but etched into the pulse of existence itself. It's the unseen code behind reality, the quantum law. Those who learn to dance with it discover that reality is not fixed. It flows, breathes, and responds to the energy of the observer. Attention isn't just a thought. It's the brushstroke that paints the universe. When someone truly understands this law, they stop reacting to life and begin shaping it. Every choice, every shift in focus sends ripples across infinite timelines, each one a portal to a different result. It's no longer about luck or fate, it's about resonance. Wherever you place your energy, you initiate creation. What you focus on expands. What you doubt contracts. That's why healing energy blockages and unconscious trauma is so essential. They hijack your attention, pulling you into polarities that distort your power. But when you return to stillness, when you center your awareness like a beam of non-polar light, you access the true seat of creation. From that space, manifestation becomes natural, effortless, aligned. And what if what you've felt until now was only a fraction of what you're capable of? We'll unravel a secret most never even question, the hidden power behind the type of attention you offer. Have you ever felt lost, disconnected from who you really are? I created 3 transformative ebooks to help you reconnect with your true essence. Click on the link in the pinned comment and begin your transformation now. Not all attention is created equal. Some forms divide, others unify. Polar attention splits your energy. One part yearns, the other resists. It's like reaching for something with one hand while the other holds you back. This inner contradiction clouds your manifestation, keeping desires just out of reach, suspended between fear and longing. But non-polar attention, that's another story. It's presence without judgment. It's when you observe without needing to control. From this sacred stillness, energy flows freely. Possibilities open. You no longer react, you respond. That's when the quantum field reflects your true vibration back to you, unfiltered by internal conflict or expectation. Imagine focusing on abundance, but without clinging to it. Imagine witnessing your desires like stars, shining, distant, yet connected to you through intention. This is where real creation begins, not in force, but in alignment, in the pure awareness that sees without needing, attracts without demanding. We'll explore the mirror that responds to this type of focus. Are you ready to see how your own gaze has been shaping everything around you? Did you enjoy the content and it made a difference for you? Click on Super Thanks and support our work. There's a sacred truth hidden in plain sight. The act of observing changes what is observed. This isn't just science, it's spiritual alchemy. Your consciousness is not a passive witness, it's the spark that awakens dormant potentials. Every time you observe something with focused energy, you collapse infinite possibilities into a singular path, a reality. When your thoughts are scattered, reality fragments. But when your focus sharpens, intentionally, clearly, creation takes shape. The universe responds not to your wishes, but to your consistency. The observer is never neutral. Your attention molds the quantum clay of life. What you see with faith begins to solidify as if the cosmos were waiting for your confirmation to proceed. So ask yourself, what are you reinforcing with your gaze? Are you feeding limitation or nurturing expansion? Are you reacting from past trauma or consciously choosing your next timeline? Because here's the mystery. Your reality isn't something that just happens to you. It's something that listens to you. And if you've been shaping reality without knowing it, what might happen when you do it on purpose? We uncover the silent saboteurs, those inner blockages that intercept your energy before it even reaches the field. Within the body, within the soul, there are rivers that no longer flow. Energy once fluid has become stuck, caught in the echoes of trauma, fear, and forgotten dreams. These blockages aren't enemies, they're messengers. They whisper of pain unprocessed, decisions unhealed, timelines unlived, and they quietly redirect your power away from manifestation. Unconsciously, you might keep returning to the same patterns, wondering why reality repeats itself like a looped song. That's the grip of polar attention caught in unhealed spaces. But when you begin to witness these places with non-judgmental presence, when you choose to observe rather than resist, you release energy that was trapped. Suddenly, flow returns. This isn't just about healing the past. It's about reclaiming the energy that belongs to your present. Practices like deep breath work, mirror work, or meditations using grounding crystals like obsidian or hematite can help you navigate these currents. Because when the river flows again, so does your power to create. But how do you actually switch timelines once that energy is free? That's the mystery we'll step into next, where decisions aren't just choices. They're gateways to entirely new worlds. Every moment holds a crossroads, not always visible, not always loud, but always there. You stand in the now, surrounded by infinite versions of your life. One where you said yes, one where you healed, one where you surrendered. These aren't fantasies, they're timelines waiting for your vibration to align. A timeline isn't chosen by desire alone, it's chosen by frequency. Your focus, emotions, and beliefs are like coordinates in the quantum matrix. Shift one, and the entire trajectory of your reality changes. That's why awareness is power, because where you choose to look, how you choose to feel, what you choose to embody, that becomes your path. So when doubt creeps in or the past tries to pull you back, pause, feel, realign. Ask, what version of me do I want to step into right now? This is not imagination. This is quantum redirection. Through rituals like journaling your future self, visualizing from the end, or speaking out loud as if it's already real, you begin to move. You jump timelines. But what happens when a timeline doesn't unfold as expected? Is it failure or is it divine redirection? We'll uncover the paradox of acceptance and how surrender can be the most powerful form of creation. Sometimes the universe answers not with open doors, but with unexpected turns. What appears as an ending is often a sacred redirection, a recalibration of energy toward what's truly aligned with your essence. In these moments, acceptance becomes a powerful act of creation. It's not surrendering to defeat, but choosing to trust a higher intelligence moving through you. True acceptance dissolves resistance. It allows the energy once entangled in control and expectation to flow freely again. What no longer serves you begins to fade with grace, making space for new frequencies to enter. This process transforms your inner landscape, revealing clarity where there was confusion and strength where there once was struggle. Redirection, then, is not a deviation. It's an invitation to align with the timeline that holds your highest potential. Through practices like mindful breathing, releasing rituals under the moon, or writing to your future self with compassion, you begin to honor the flow rather than fight it. And in doing so, life reveals its deeper harmony, that everything, even the detour, was always guiding you home. Now that you've seen the true power behind your focus and energy, what reality will you choose to create starting today? Take a moment, breathe, and ask yourself, what have I been feeding with my attention? And what am I finally ready to release? Share your thoughts below. What shifted in you during this journey? I'd love to read your experience. This space is for us. And if this opened something in you, subscribe and activate the bell, because what's coming next will take your spiritual mastery even deeper. If your thoughts shape reality while awake, what if the real magic happens right before you fall asleep? Tesla knew the secret, and tonight you'll learn how to unlock it too.